Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to blur a photo background in Canva, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get the full steps. Open Canva, create a new design and upload your photo. Select use in a new design. Select custom style. Add the image width and height. Edit the image. Go to Magic Grab and select the person. As you can see, the man has been separated in the background. Click on the background photo. Go to Blur. Select the whole image and set intensity to 30. So here's the final result. Finally, download the photo. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe for more Canva tutorials.